I just finished throwing in a set of universal 2-inch baffles into my Urban Brawlers on my Ninja 1000. Nothing special. You can see it that way with the sun. Can't really tell on the screen. So I did a test without the baffles, and it was at 90 dB at idle. And I don't know what it was at the higher RPMs because I got to go back and look at the video. So let's start it and see what it does. Well, it's a little lower at idle. It's about, what is that, 88, 89, whereas 90 before. So let's see what it does. I got to change the scale. Alright, let's see what it does. No, I can't tell if it really changed too. I'll have to go back and look at the video. And here's the video I took of the CS1 exhaust without the baffles. And I did keep the camera in the same spot for both tests. In case you can't read that, the needle's bouncing between 88 and 89 dB. Alright, and here's a shot of the baffles that I used. I grabbed these from eBay. They were about $30, give or take a little. It's been a while since I bought them. As for difference in sound, it looks like at idle there is a definite difference of 2 to 3 dB. At the higher RPMs, I can't really tell if there is. And I do think I heard a difference in note as the RPMs came back down, where with the baffles it had a deeper tone than without the baffles. So there's the differences of those Urban Brawler CS1s with and without 2-inch generic baffles.